Today, I'm going to show you how to move Microsoft Forms between groups. This is incredibly useful when you need to organize your forms and quizzes into specific collections, making them easier to manage and locate when you're working with multiple forms across different projects or departments. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your existing forms and quizzes are stored and where you'll be creating your new collections. Once you're logged into your Microsoft Forms dashboard, the next step is to create a collection where you'll move your forms. Look for the option that says New Collection and click on it. This will open up a dialog box where you can set up your new collection. In the field that appears, type a collection name that makes sense for your organizational needs. For example, you might name it Important if you're grouping high-priority forms together, or you could use department names, project titles, or any other naming convention that works for you. After typing your chosen name, click Create to finalize the collection. This collection will now appear in your dashboard and serve as a destination for organizing your forms. Now that you've created your collection, it's time to move your forms into it. There are actually two methods you can use to accomplish this, and I'll walk you through both. First, locate the form or quiz you want to move. Hover your mouse over it and you'll notice that three dots appear. These three dots represent additional options for that specific form. Click on those three dots to reveal a menu with various actions you can take. From this menu, select Move to a collection. This will bring up a list of all the collections you've created. Simply select the collection name where you want this form to be stored, and the form will be moved there instantly. Alternatively, if you prefer a more visual approach, there's an even simpler method. You can actually drag the form or quiz directly to the collection you've created. Just click and hold on the form, then drag it over to your collection. This drag and drop functionality makes organizing multiple forms quick and intuitive, especially when you're reorganizing several items at once. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Microsoft Forms between groups, making your workspace more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.